Hi, Namaste. Today we will learn to crochet this beautiful hair clip. You can see the hair clip. Let's begin. I'm using white color, green color and yellow color yarn because these colors are clearly visible in tutorial, so you can easily understand what I am making or crocheting. A part of this, we need two sizes of crochet hook. One is smaller. I am using 0.85 mm crochet hook for the base and 2 mm crochet hook for the other rest of the stitches. And we need blunt eye needle, of course hair clip. We need scissor and glue or glue gun to attach the clip with the flower. To make this base, I am using 0.85 mm crochet hook. We need to insert our crochet hook inside this clip. If your crochet hook is bigger, then it is difficult to insert. So we will crochet directly on the clip. Let's make slip knot. Insert the crochet hook inside the clip and start making single stitch. Now start your stitches inserting the crochet this side of the clip. Grab the yarn, pull it out and make single stitch. We will make the base just using single stitches like this. One, two and three. I already made 3 single stitches. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So we completed 13 single stitches here. We will make 3 chain and go to this side, another side of the clips, and start your single stitch here. This is your first single stitch. We need to stitch 13 single stitch here. 12 and 13. 3 chain. And now we will change our crochet hook here. Wool the yarn and change your crochet hook. I am using now 2 mm crochet hook, a little bit bigger. Chain 1 and slip stitch in the same chain. Like this. Chain 1, chain 1, and in the next chain slip stitch. Chain 1 and slip stitch in the next chain. Chain 1 and slip stitch in the next chain. Chain 1, slip stitch in the next chain. We will repeat this pattern until we reach here. I need to show you what to do in this 3 chain space. We will crochet 3 times same stitches in the 3 chain space here as well. Chain 1 and go to the 3 chain space we made earlier, slip stitch, chain 1 and slip stitch in the same space. Slip stitch in the same space. Now we will do same until we reach here. Let's do it. Now we'll crochet in the 3 chain space. Make a single stitch inside the chain space, then half double crochet in the same space, then we will crochet 3 double stitches, or you can say 3 double crochet like this. 1, this is 2, this is our 3rd double crochet, and we will make 1 half double crochet in the same space and 1 single crochet, and in this last chain we'll make 1 slip stitch, chain 1, and fasten off. This is already looking beautiful. Now we need to hide this yarn. Let's hide it. Bring it back side and hide. Now let's cut the extra yarn. Here you go. Base is ready. Now let's make the flower. A daisy flower, double layer petals. Make a magic ring and 6 single stitch inside the magic ring. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Join it by slip stitch, chain 1, and increase 6 times. In total we will have 12 single crochet here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 single crochet in the same stitch. 9, 10, 11 and 12. Make a slip stitch here. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Pull the yarn tightly. You can secure your yarn by bringing the back side and make a knot here. Not so tight. And cut the yarn. To make the double layer flower petals, we will be using the front loops only for the first layer of petals. Only front loops, because we have V stitches here. We will use back loops later for the bigger petals, but now we will use front loop only. Join the white yarn and make 2 chain. Double crochet in the same chain. 2 chain and slip stitch in the same chain. One more time, 2 chain, double crochet in the next chain but front loop only. This is a little bit tighter. We'll be using front loop only. 2 chain and slip stitch in the same chain. So our 2 small petals is already here. Like this we will complete the round only using front loop of the chain, making 1 double crochet, 2 chain here, 1 double crochet and 2 chain here, and 1 petal. One more time, 2 chain, go to the next chain, make 1 double crochet in the front loop and 2 chain and slip stitch in the same loop, and our petal is ready here. Like this we'll complete this round. So I'm here, end of the round, make 1 chain and we can see the back loops here. Go to the back loops, slip stitch, chain 3, 1 2 3. In first round we made 2 chain and double crochet. In back round or second layer of petals we'll chain 3 and make triple crochet in the same loop like we did before. Triple crochet, 3 chain and slip stitch in the same chain like this. This is our larger or longer petals. 3 chain, go to the next loop and make 1 triple crochet. 3 chain, go to the same loop and single stitch. 3 chain, go to the next loop, make 1 triple crochet, 3 chain and slip stitch in the same loop. Like this we will complete this round as well. I'll see you after the completion of this round. Let's close the round. Make a slip stitch here to close the round. Slip stitch, chain 1 and cut the yarn. See, our flower is ready. Stretch a little bit. So this is our back layer and this is our front layer. So let's attach this flower to this hair clip. Just make sure your end of the base will sit end of the yellow part like this, so your hair clip looks beautiful and natural. Use glue here and this corner, this part and this corner a little bit and this corner a little bit, and as I said, just make sure your this base corner will sit at the end of the yellow part like this. Press gently. So here it is, your daisy flower hair clip is ready to use. If you want to make sunflower hair clip, you can use the same process that I just show you to make the daisy flower hair clip. Same process, same stitches, same everything. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.